Is Mitali Waghela. Roll number is 34 and my topic is a linear equation. Index, history, introduction, linear equation, intercept, slope intercept form a line, types of a linear equation in a one variable, linear equation in a two variable, method for solving linear equations, real life applications. History, Sir William Rowan Hamilton invented the linear equation. Father of the pair of a linear equation in a two variable is Aristotle. Introduction, an equation for which the graph is a line. In linear equation, a constant difference between x values result in a constant difference in a y values. Linear equations are usually written in one of two forms. Slope intercept form y equal to mx plus c. Linear equation. A linear equation is a mathematical function that is put in from consisting of variables or the unknown and the coefficients which are known. The coefficient is designed to help give a foundation to identify where the line crosses the y-axis. Linear equations are equations of the first order. These equations are defined for the lines in the coordinate system. An equation for a straight line is called a linear equation. The general representation of a straight line equation is y equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. The x-intercept is the x-coordinate of a point where the graph crosses the x-axis. The y-intercept is the y-coordinate of a point where the graph crosses a y-axis. The x-intercept would be 4 and is located at the point 40. The y-intercept is 3 is located at the point 03. Slope intercept from a line. The slope intercept from a line is y equal to mx plus b, where m represents the slope of the line and b represents the y-intercept. When an equation is in a slope intercept form, the y is always on one side by itself. It cannot be more than one y either. If a is not in a slope intercept form, then we must solve for a y to get it there. Types of a linear equation. Standard form ax plus by equal to c. Slope intercept y equal to mx plus b. Point slope form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Linear equation in a one variable. We will deal with equation with a linear expression in a one variable only. Such equations are known as a linear equation in a one variable. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. It has an equality sign. The expression on the left of the equality sign is the left hand side. The expression on the right of the equality sign is called a right hand side. In an equation, the value of an expression on the LHS and RHS are equal. This happen to be true only for certain value of a variable. These values are the solution of the equation. How to find the solution of an equation? We assume that the two sides of the equation are balanced. We perform the same mathematical operation on both sides of the equation so that this balance is not disturbed. Solving equation which have linear expression on one side and the number of the other side. Example 1. Find the solution of a 2x minus 3 equal to 7. In the solution, step 1, add 3 both the sides. 2x minus 3 plus 3 equal to 7 plus 3. Therefore, 2x equal to 10. Step 2, divide both the side by 2. 2x by 2 equal to 10 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 5. Some applications. Sum of two number is 74. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What is the number? If the smaller number is taken to be x, the larger number is 10 more than x, that is x plus 10. The other conditions say that the sum of these two numbers x and x plus 10 is 74. Therefore 2x plus 10 equal to 74. Transposing 10 to RHS, 2x equal to 74 minus 10. Therefore 2x equal to 64. dividing both the side by 2, therefore x equal to 32, and the other number x plus 10 equal to 42. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. And the solution: let us take Shriya's present age to be x years. Then Arjun's age would be 2x years. Shriya's age 5 years ago was x minus 5 years. Arjun's age Arjun's age 5 years ago was 2x minus 5 years. It is given that Arjun's age 5 years ago was 3 times Shriya's age. Therefore, 2x minus 5 equal to 3 into x minus 5. Therefore, 2x minus 5 equal to 3x minus 15. Therefore, 3x minus 2x equal to 15 minus 5. That is x equal to 10. So, Shriya's present age x equal to 10 years. Therefore, Arjun's present age 2x equal to 20 years. Reducing equation to simpler form, solve 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to x minus 3 by 6. Multiplying both the sides by 6, x 6 into 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 6 into 1 equal to 6 into x minus 3 by 6. 2 into x 6x plus 1 plus 6 equal to x minus 3, that is 12x plus 8 equal to x minus 3. 12x minus x equal to minus 3 minus 8. Therefore 11x equal to minus 11. Therefore x equal to minus 1. Equations reducible to the linear form. Solve x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to 3 by 8. The solution: x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 equal to 3 by 8 into 2x plus 3. X plus 1 equal to 3 into 2x plus 3 by 8. 8 into x plus 1 equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. 8x plus 8 equal to 6x plus 9. Therefore, 8x minus 6x equal to 9 minus 8. 2x equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2. Linear equation in a two variable. An equation is a statement in which one expression equals to the another expression. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers such that a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added both the side of the equation. Both the side of the equation are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. Pair of a linear equation in a two variables. Linear equation in a two variable: 2x plus 3y equal to 5, x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 0y equal to 2, that is x equal to 2. You also know that an equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, is called a linear equation in a two variable x and y. Do you know what do they look like geometrically? The representation of a linear equation in a two variable is a straight line. Two lines in a plane, only one of the possibility can happen. The two lines will intersect at one point. The two lines will not intersect, that is, they are parallel. The two lines will be coincident. Linear equation, there is a conditions a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. There is a unique solution, and the condition second, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, that there is an infinite solution, and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. There is a no solution. Graphical method of a solution of a pair of a linear equation. Example 1. Check graphically whether the pair of a equation x plus 3y equal to 6 to x minus 3y equal to 12 is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. Solution: let us draw the graph of equation 1 and 2. For this we find two solutions of each of the equation which are in table. When we take x equal to 0 at the equation 1, that is y equal to 2, and when x equal to 6, therefore y equal to 0. In second equation, x equal to 0, then y equal to minus 4, and x equal to 3, then y equal to minus 2. There is a graph. There is a graph and the solution of this equation is the point is 6, 0. Algebraic method of solving a pair of a linear equation. Substitution method. Example 1. Solve the following pair of a equation by substitution method. 7x minus 15y equal to 2, x plus 2y equal to 3, and the solution is: step 1. We pick either of the equation and write one variable in term of other. Let us consider the equations 2. X plus 2y equal to 3, that is x equal to 3 minus 2y. Substitute the value of x in equation 1. We get 7 into 3 minus 2y equal minus 15 equal to 2. 21 minus 14y minus 15y equal to 2, that is minus 29y equal to minus 19, that is y equal to 19 by 29. And this value of y put in x equal to 3 minus 2y, that is 3 minus 2 into 19 by 29, therefore x equal to 49 by 29. Therefore the solution is x equal to 49 by 29 and y equal to 19 by 29. Elimination method. Example 1. Solve equation by elimination method. 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Solution. Step 1. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4 to make the coefficients of y is equal. So 27x minus 12y equal to 600 and 28 minus 12y equal to 800. Subtract equation above the eliminate y. Because the coefficient of a y are the same, so we get 28 minus 27x minus 12y plus 12y equal to 800 minus 600. Therefore x equal to 2000. Substituting the value of x in equation 1, we get 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal to 2000. Therefore y equal to 4000. That is x equal to 2000 and y equal to 4000. Cross multiplication method. Solve the equation by cross multiplication method. 5x plus 3y equal to 35. 2x plus 4y equal to 28. And the solution is: let us use the elimination method to solve these equations. Multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3, we get 4 into 5x plus 4 into 3y plus 4 into minus 35 equal to 0, and 3 into 2x plus 3 into 4y plus 3 into minus 28 equal to 0. Subtracting equation above, we get x equal to minus 4 minus in the bracket 4 into minus 35 minus 3 into minus 28 by 5 into 4 minus 2 into 3. If equation 1 and 2 are written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then we have a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 35, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 4, c2 equal to minus 28. Therefore x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Simplifying equation and put the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in x. Therefore, x equal to minus 84 plus 140 by 20 minus 6 equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 4. Y equal to minus 70 plus 140 by 20 minus 6 equal to 5. Therefore, x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Uses age problem, speed, time, distance problem, geometry problem, money and percentage of problem, wages and hourly rate problem, force and pressure problem in physics to solve equation and get the answer, to find slope for making new home. In every situation in mathematics or physics, linear equations are used. Thank you.